Hello guys, welcome to Digital Doorway YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another video on Hubspot and it's going to be on quotes tool. Does your company or you as an entrepreneur or as a small business owner or freelancer have the need to create quotations or proposals and you're struggling to find the right tool or the right software for it? Then you should look no further, because HubSpot has this quotes tool which allows you to prepare quotations or proposals right from inside the CRM. So this quotes tool is in the Sales Hub and it's available on all the plans, including the free plan. So it's an amazing tool, and we should be thankful to HubSpot that it's offering this in its free plan also. Now the quotes tool is a formal offer. It's a proposal for your product or service, and it has a unit price. You can add discount, you can put your tax, terms and conditions while preparing the quote. You can also customize the quote, such as the title, expiry date, specific regulations, terms and conditions, and any info that might be useful for the buyer to know. Users can also edit the quote multiple times as sales negotiation drags on, and you can also designate signers and counter signers in the quotes tool. The tool can pull in contact information right from inside the CRM. So you can, if you have added your buyer or your vendor information, the contact name and the company record in the CRM, then you can directly pull it from there. There's no third-party integration because everything is included in the CRM. So that's very easy for you to to just pull in. And finally, HubSpot users can also bill the customers directly thanks to an integration with Stripe. So let's go to the dashboard into the software to see where you can find it and how you can create it, the quotation. So I'm in the dashboard of HubSpot, and you'll find the sales tab over here. If you click on it, then the quotes is right over here. So I'm going to click and go into the tool. So you will find that I have 2 quotes already. You can create a new one by clicking over here. So I've already created one, so I'm just going to show you how you can edit it. So, and it goes to the first page itself. So once you're in the quotes detail, you'll find this part: details, buyer info, your info, where you have to add the buyer's information, you have to add your information, you have to add your product, payment, signature and payment, which I just mentioned. You can review and you can sign off. So HubSpot by default offers 3 different templates that you can use. This is the original template, this is the basic one, and you will see the changes over here, and then you have the modern template. So feel free to use whichever you feel is appropriate. And then you can give the quotation a name, the quote name. You can put the expiry date, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, or custom. I'm going to go with 30 days. You can put in any comments to your buyer. So for example, this quote is valid only for 30 days, let's say, or anything that you feel you would need to add. You can also pull in any snippet that you have added. You can insert a snippet. So it's very easy. You can also put in the terms and conditions. So for example, 50% advance and balance upon completion, and that would show over here. You can see the purchase terms over here, that is automatically added. Again, you can insert any snippet, or you can also add any link to any word or any phrase that you want. I'm going to click on next, and this is my company, and you can add any contact. You can add a contact to this quote. You can add an existing one from here, or you can create a new contact. You can add the email, first name and last name. It's very easy, very straightforward. Click on next, and now your information. So you will have your information and your company name. You can add your company name over here. Click on next, and then you will have products. So in the products page, you'll have to add a product that you are selling or you're offering. So in the name, you can write meetings room, the SKU, any description, the entire meeting room, will be available for 1 day, let's say. You can put the unit price, let's say. You can put in the billing frequency, the unit cost. The billing cost could be anything that is for you, and the terms, let's say 1 month. And here you can edit whatever you have added. You can edit the duration, you can edit the unit price, you can edit the quantity, and you can also add discount from here. If you want, you can add, let's say 10,000 as discount. You can add a fee or add a tax, let's say VAT. You add 1,000 as VAT. So all of that adds up and deducts and comes to 41,000 over here, as you can see. So enter a discount name, July so let's say September discount or end of year discount. Click on next. So here you can, like I said, this is I have to enable the payment, and then this will be unlocked. You can also put the signature. If you put the signature, then it will show in the footer over here, and you can also opt for no signature, then it would simply be removed. Either ways, it's your call. And here you can this is your code, and I just made a very brief description, but you can be really comprehensive and you can add many details. This is just for your preview and how it looks. You can click on create code, and what you will get over here is you will get the copy. You can copy this URL, or you can also write email with this code, and it takes you directly to your CRM. So here you have the deals. I'm going to close this. Here you have the deal. You are coming to the deals. Here you have what I mentioned, the $50,000 for the printing order, and you have the deal stages over here, because the quotes tool is very closely linked with the deals, because whatever deal you have created, that has to be linked to the quote. So, and you can see the deal stages over here. For example, if I change from appointment schedule to presentation schedule, then the bar will move ahead, right? And you can play around with this. If you feel that you have to go back by one step, then you can always go back, and this bar will go back one step. And if you send the contract, if you click over here, then this will move further up. And if it is contract closed or won, then you can click over here. So whatever might be the case, everything can be sent from inside the CRM, and it's very easy. You can also add any contact from here. You can add an attachment. You can email him right from here, and you can log the email. And in the activity tab, you will see, when you send an email from here, you will see the email opens, for example, what was the time that the email opened. If you have any attachment, that would also show. So I hope you like this video. It's a very simple tool to use, but still very effective, and you don't have to take any third-party proposals or contract and then integrate them with Hubspot. Since it's available in the free plan, then you can very much go and use the free plan, and because CRM is also free, so you can tie everything up in one platform and use it for your business. So that's all from my end. If you have any questions on the quotes tool, please write back to me. And if you like this video, if you have any comments, please do write in the comment section, and feel free to ask me any questions on mail@digital-doorway.com. I'll be happy to reply. Thank you and goodbye.